Od buch kaonti ma Siaya kwedo nyinge ji ariyo manye gavana ma Siaya James Orengo owalo kendo chwalo ni od burano mondo ogo kogno e lemo mag jotend migepe kamikai Dorothy Ayoma to podhi kaka jakanyo e board mandiko jotije kaonti. George Nyingiro mane owale migawo mar omenda kod Grace Agola e migawo mar somo duto owiti oko e tielo mar ariyo bang' od burano tamore puodhogi dweche 3 mokalo. Nyingiro oseyo kuom tiyo marach gi mbi mare e apise kinde mane omako lemono e yor kojolo ka Grace Agola to norem chwalo obok mayango ni notiegore kaka japuonj motelo ne tie bengi. Od burano oseyo gavana ma Siaya James Orengo kuom walo ji ariyogo kendo kata ka bang' od burano wito welo margi e tielo mokwongo.
I think the challenges I've had mostly is about employment of unskilled workers. So I would want to carry out a staff audit, an HR audit, to see that we have proper placement of people. You verify certificates and what are provided, you can do your due diligence.
What we said as a committee next time, should we realize failure on the part of the appointing authority, we will not subject the nominees to interview, but instead we will engage the appointing authority, because it is a waste of time for an appointing authority to contravene the law while submitting names and taking innocent people, officers, to go through this process. When a nomination of a candidate is rejected by the county assembly, the appointing authority shall submit to the county assembly the name of another candidate